Welcome back again to another video. So today we are gonna review the action figure legendary comic book heroes from the Monkey Man and the O'Brien series. I found this toy on the toy shop with the only $2 price. I bring it to home since it's like old toys or retro toys, and I do some little research about these toys. I think it's about 1 decade ago. Wow, it's about, I think, 14 or 12 years old toys. I actually done watch this animated series. The box comes with the action figure and some part like a legs. Yeah, it's the monkey leg, and this is the character I get, and O'Brien. This girl is the main protagonist. Look at the back. I think this is the story of Anne O'Brien, and this is a collectible figure since it has a part that will be assembled if we collect all of these characters. So I think there are 6 parts of the Monkey Man to be assembled if we collect all of them. We have a Marv, Star, like a Spider-Man, Striker, Judge Death, Darkness, and Anne O'Brien. And I think this is the, what is it? And then as you can see, this is a Marvel toys, so maybe this is a part of Marvel Studios. Look at the price. At 1 decade ago it's about $20, but now only $2 since it's like a junk toys. Okay, let's unboxing these toys. The box is really old. Okay, what is it? Oh my god, oh my god. Wow. What's inside this box? This is a manually to get the Monkey Man, I think. We got what is it? Right foot of the Monkey Man. Man, this is so tight and the quality is very solid. And this is the character of Anne O'Brien. Okay, we got 2 figures on the box, inside the box. Monkey Man foot. There's no special, but I think we can pull. You can hear that? We can pull the foot. There is a like mechanical to move front and back. On the toes there are some gimmick movement. As you can see, you can move up and down, and every part of the toes is movable like this. So that's very cool. I think it can stand. Wow, cool. The paint job is still very good. We're moving to the main character, the Anne O'Brien. First, from the hairs. It's made by rubber. And look at the face. The hair color is orange, but the figure is red. But it's okay. For the head, it can, I think, whoa, turn around like 360. It can go front and back. For the arm can go 362. They are joined, so you can move like this, up and down, and then they are joined for the arms. Both sides it can expand like this, and the torso it can move front and back, right and left, 360. Very good. And there's some gimmick, like we can put off the shirt, but only like this. For the legs, both of legs has a flexible movement. You can, alright, oh, it's not 360 but limit only that. You can do some movement front and back, just as far as this. The legs, oh, you can swivel it and have some gimmick too. Oh, to up and down. From the articulation, this figure can pose like all pose that you want from this figure, but it's have a horrible balance, so it's very difficult to stand. Okay guys, that's all my review today. I hope you like it. And what do you think of this figure? Is it still worth to buy to be a collection? Please comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you on the next video. Goodbye.